Hi viewers, welcome back to Siri Algorithms YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, I am going to show you a small example how to convert a Fahrenheit temperature to centigrade or Celsius. So, please walk through with me. Let me open the Jupyter notebook. So please wait. So here is the environment. Let me take the user value. So temperature is equal to int of input of enter your temperature in Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit temperature. Let me write the formula. So Celsius or centigrade, you can take it. So temperature minus 32 multiplied with 5 by 9. This is the formula. It is going to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius or centigrade. So what I written here, we are collecting the information from the end user. End user going to enter the temperature in Fahrenheit. That Fahrenheit we converted into a Celsius. Then I am going to write the condition. If Celsius is greater than 37 is a normal body temperature. If it is greater than 37, I am going to write like a print of visit a doctor. Visit a doctor. Visit a doctor. Else print of no fever, take rest. Let me execute. So enter your temperature in Fahrenheit. Maybe temperature is 101. Now you can see visit a doctor. If you want to see what is the temperature, you write a small print statement here, print of Celsius, you can call it. Now I am going to execute. If the temperature is 103, enter. So the Celsius temperature is 39.4. So visit a doctor. It's fever. Maybe what in case the temperature is 95, the Fahrenheit temperature is 95. So it is only 35 is the Celsius. So there is no fever. That's why no fever, take rest. So here condition is false. So when the condition is true, if statement get executed. If condition false, else statement get executed. So In next video, I am going to show you one more example with if-else conditional statements. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you in next video.